Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elyce and tomorrow is a very special day. It is Romeo's second birthday and I am going to be baking a cake for him tonight. I am not quite the baker, but we're going to give it a go and hopefully it turns out okay. I'm going to throw up my inspiration here so you can see kind of where what I'm working with. I kind of wanted to try to keep it simple-ish, but also I've got a few bits to make it a little bit more cooler. So I've ordered a little number 2 and he is really into Paw Patrol at the moment, so we're thinking of adding a Paw Patrol character to his cake. And I've just got a couple of other little bits there that I think that will bring the cake to life. So wish me luck, hopefully it goes well, and hopefully it's not going to be a long night. Okay, cakes are in the oven, 40 minutes. Now it's time to start the buttercream. So after that, that will bring the cake making to the close, and then it will be up to decorating time. Okay, frosting is complete. And now I'm gonna get my decorations ready. So I've got Maltesers for rocks, and I'm going to crush up some Oreo biscuits for the dirt. So she's looking like she's a bit of a sweet cake, which I'm not really sure about that, but we'll see how we go. Okay, so the cakes are done. A little bit rocky looking, so not really sure how to go about that, whether I need to trim the tops of them to make them a bit more even, but crushed up the Oreo. And now I just need to let the cakes cool before I do the frosting. It's now 9:15, so my back is sore and my feet are sore. So I'm gonna sit down for a little bit while these cool and then get back to work a little bit later. Okay, had my shower, refreshed, gym jams, and now the cake is cooled. Going to just do the final frosting now. I can't wait to go to bed. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. I don't want to add too much to the cake so then it gets like a bit too busy, crazy. So I've just got a couple of trucks, the number 2, Paw Patrol, some rocks and dirt, and yeah. There's my home job of a cake, so hopefully he will like it. Alright, so it's just before 11 o'clock, so we did good. Cake is done. Gonna pop this one in the fridge. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Who's there? It's Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Romeo.
Ready? Happy birthday! Good morning, Daddy. Good morning, my big 2-year-old. What's that? It's Romeo.
Okay.
I'm stuck. Look what we got for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
Thank you.
Kiss.
Yeah.
Whoa. What is it?
Dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh.
Daddy jumping. Purple dinosaur.
Purple dinosaur is number 9.
And they come apart, Daddy. They're a puzzle.
What's that one?
The castle.
You can put them back together. Click.
It's a bus. Daddy opens the bus. The bus.
Take it off. Oh, Romeo. The people can come in and out. What is it?
That's wrong.
No, Romeo, you got a new book.
Yeah. Come on.
Whistle for Willie.
Oh, look.
Lots of tiny pieces to fly all over the place.
You can do cars, you can do butterfly.
Apple, Daddy, apple.
Airplane.
That's a puma apple.
A blue airplane.
Ooh.
Apple, blue apple.
That's a tiny one, isn't it?
No, I don't want it.
You sure?
Don't want it.
Oh, says he doesn't want it now.
Okay, then Daddy will have it.
No,
Yeah.
Mommy have it.
No, Daddy and Mommy and Daddy will have it. Yeah, we'll take it. Okay.
It's my turtle. Daddy, turtle.
Yeah.
Daddy, train. Turtle, train.
Toot toot.
That's it.
That's it?
That's. What's that?
What's that?
That. Oh, train. Back a train.
Oh my gosh.
Back a train.
Toot toot. Morning, morning. We are down at our little local park. We're just enjoying some sunshine. Hello, birthday boy. You having a nice time?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just going to have a little play here for the morning, and then in the afternoon we're going to Gertudenhof Pumpkin Festival. So that should be really fun. So we're looking forward to that. And today is their last day, so we're lucky we got tickets this time.
Oh, I can't help myself. I love the way you love me. Never thought a love like this could be. How you made me oh so happy. When you love the way you love me. Thought I had it all, but now I see. Without you, it's only half of me. Baby, I love the way you la 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 Scary how somebody walks into your world and makes it
Mama.
Hi, we are now at the Kerbis Park, the Pumpkin Festival. It's a little bit later in the day, about 4 o'clock, so we're a bit late to get to the park.
Mama.
But Jay's had football and he's back now and we're ready to get into it. At least it doesn't close until about 7, so we're just gonna rock the afternoon session. Hopefully we get some nice pictures and have a lot of fun inside. We love the Strawberry Festival, so we're hoping that this one will be just as good and that Romeo can get into all the activities and have a good time. So here we are, we're going to try to find a park now and we'll get into it. For this time in the evening, it is hectic. There are children, families everywhere. It is busy.
Where are you going?
And it's the last day today.
But it is so special, like it's all magical with the lights and everything, and all the decorations makes you feel very festival. It's almost giving me that Christmassy feeling, but almost, not just yet, almost. So Jay again has taken tribute, and he is now on the bouncing castle with Romeo, and I'm so glad I'm not on there. It's been a sunny day, so it's not wet, and yeah, it's okay to be bouncing around on there, so they're having fun though, but I'm glad I'm not on there.
Feeling love. Me and my friends dance until we drop, and the good times don't stop. The good times don't stop. The good times don't stop. Late nights sitting under starlight, searching for the meaning in the beauty that we see. Come bathe in the glow. So happy when you la 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 la, the way you la 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 me. Thought I had it all, but now I see without you it's only half of me. Baby la la, I love the way you la 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 la
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Romeo. Happy birthday to you. Yay! He did it! Oh, we touched the bottom. Thank you. Okay, so Romeo is all tucked up in bed now, and we've had a lovely day. The weather was amazing, like blue skies. It was cool, but obviously, you know, the sunshine and everything just boosts that mood. So yeah, it was a lovely day, and going to the pumpkin festival was really magical. They just do such a great festival there. The strawberry festival was amazing. The pumpkin festival was amazing. I've always wanted to go to one and I've never been. So that was a real treat. The pumpkins were just everywhere, and it was just the most autumnal place you could visit. It was really cool, and I'm so glad we got to experience. I know today was the last day of the festival. We've been trying to go for the last couple of weeks, but tickets have just been sold out, so I got in early for the last one, and I knew obviously Romeo's birthday. I thought it would be a nice little thing for us to do as a family. Seeing it at night time was something special too, because I probably wouldn't have gone if it wasn't for the football today. So We probably would have gone during the day, but it was really lovely in the evening. All the lights just sort of bring it to life. Yeah, and the next festival that they'll be running will be the Christmas markets, so that will be a little bit later in November. I'm sure they've got lots of setting up to do for that. So now I'm probably going to do some editing, relax a little bit, and then it'll be bedtime. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Take care guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.